Welcome back to the online class of Al Farooq School Paraparamba. Dear students, through the last class we discussed about the graphical method in the third chapter, pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, and also we discussed the general form of a pair of linear equations as a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. And here a1, b1 and c1 are the coefficients of the first equation, that is a1 is the coefficient of x, b1 is the coefficient of y and c1 is the constant term in the first equation. Similarly, a2 is the coefficient of x in the second equation, b2 is the coefficient of y in the second, and c2 is the constant term. Is it clear? Okay. And by considering the graph of pair of linear equations, we will get three cases. Case 1, intersecting lines. Case 2, coincident lines. And case 3, parallel lines. Okay. We already considered the graph for the three cases. From the latest class, we will discuss about the relation between the coefficients and the consistency of the solution. In the first case, we already know that the pair of lines will intersect. Okay. And here, let's check the relation between the coefficients. And we can simply understand that their coefficients will be like this: a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. That is the condition for the relation between the coefficients of the first and second equations. Okay, so before drawing the graph, we can simply understand that the graph for these two lines are intersecting by checking the relation a1 by a2 not equal b1 by b2. Similarly, in the second case, the lines are coincident. In that case, the coefficients like this: a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. And similarly, in the third case, that is the lines are parallel, then the coefficients are like this: a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. That means there is no need to draw the graph for the checking of consistency of the solution. So once again I am repeating, by considering the graph for a pair of linear equations of the form a1x plus b1 by plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, we will get three cases: case 1, intersecting; case 2, coincident; case 3, parallel. In the case 1, we know that the solution is consistent and the graph will be like this: two intersecting lines. In this case, the coefficients will be like this: a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Okay. In the second case, that is the coincident lines, In that case, the lines will be like this. First line, second line will be a coincident line. And one more thing, in the first case we know that pair of linear equations has only one solution, and in that case we can say that the solution is consistent. In the second case, that is case 2, coincident line, the graph will be like this. In this case, the coefficient will be like this: a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. And in this case we can say that the equation is dependent consistent. Okay. And similarly in the third case, that is the two lines are parallel, that is the graph is like this, two parallel lines. In this case, the coefficient carry the relation a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. C1 by c2. In this case, we can say that it is inconsistent. It is inconsistent. That is, the equation has no solution. Is it clear? Okay. ഒരു ഗ്രാഫിൻ്റെ ക്യാരക്ടർ മനസ്സിലാക്കാനും ഗ്രാഫ് വരക്കാതെ തന്നെ നമുക്ക് കോഎഫിഷ്യൻസ് നോക്കിയിട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. ഓക്കെ, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ദ പോയിന്റ്. Okay, so we can consider some examples. Okay, dear students, we are going to consider a question. Check whether the following equations are consistent or not. There are three pair of equations given. First one, x minus 2y equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y minus 20 equal to 0. Okay, let's check one by one. First of all, this is the first equation and this is the second equation. So here, what is the a1? a1 is the coefficient of x in the first equation. So what is the a1 here? Yes, that is the 1. Okay, what is the b1? b1 equal to coefficient of y, that is minus 2. Okay, here no c1, so we can write c1 is equal to 0. Okay, now what about a2? a2 equal to 3, coefficient of x in the second equation, and b2 equal to 4, c2 equal to minus 20. Is it clear? Now what is a1 by a2? 1 by 3. What is b1 by b2? Minus 2 by 4. Is they equal? No, they are not equal. So we can say that here this belongs to the first case, that is a1 by a2. Here a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. So it belongs to the first case, that is the two lines are intersecting. The two lines are intersecting. So we can say that it is consistent. It is consistent. I am writing here consistent. It is consistent. Is it clear, students? Okay. Let's check the next second one. Here x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0 and 2x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Let's check one by one. What is a1 by a2? a1 1 a2 2. So a1 by a2 1 by 2. What is b1 by b2? It is equal to 2 by 4. What is c1 by c2? Minus 4 by minus 12. By cross checking we can simply say that 1 by 2 equal to 2 by 4, that is equal to, but it is not equal to minus 4 by minus 12, it is not equal. So here a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. So which means it is belongs to the third case, that is the two lines are parallel. So we can say that it is inconsistent. Inconsistent. Lines are parallel. So it is inconsistent. Is it clear? Now let's move to the third one. What is the third one? 2x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0. 4x plus 6y minus 18 equal to 0. Here what is a1 by a2? Let's write a1 by a2 equal to 2 by 4. That is equal to 1 by 2. What is b1 by b2? 3 by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. What is c1 by c2? Minus 9 by minus 18, also equal to 1 by 2. Here a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. So which belongs to the second case, because the two lines are coincident. So we can say that it is dependent consistent. Dependent consistent. Dependent consistent. So once again I am repeating, the first equation belongs to the first case, that is a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Here the two lines are intersecting, so it is consistent. The second pair belongs to a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, which means the pair of lines are parallel, so it is inconsistent. And similarly the third one belongs to a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. So it is belongs to dependent consistent. So these are the three cases. Okay. So dear students, we are going to wind up the class. Before winding up, please note your homework. Homework, page number 4950, exercise 3.2, the remaining questions, that is question number 2, 3, 4 and 6. Okay, that's all from today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.